For Kicker's 50th anniversary, we wanted to do something very special. That's why we decided to pay our respect to the original competition series woofers from 1986. This woofer was packed with great features, and a lot of them were industry first. The foam surround is stitched to the polypropylene cone, topped off by a fiber dust cap with that easily recognizable classic Kicker gold lettering. Paper and cork front gasket for great seal to the mounting baffle. Stamped steel basket with a single stack ferrite magnet. Single voice coil design with spade terminals. And it also pioneered Kicker's uniplate. This was the center pole piece and back plate that had improved heat dissipation, that was also bumped for more excursion, which means higher output, and vented down the center for smoother, deeper bass with less power. This was a great woofer, but we took it to the next level. The Gold Series woofers features Kicker's forced air cooling technology for improved reliability. The double stack ferrite magnet has this awesome looking magnet boot, and the gold-plated square spring terminals are connected to dual 4-ohm voice coils for multiple wiring configurations. The stamped steel basket has very large rolled windows for improved strength. The front gasket is made out of injection molded plastic with rubber to simulate that cork look. The high-roll Santoprene rib surround gives you extreme excursion and control over the cone in high-power applications, and it's double-stitched to a polypropylene cone and topped off by a polypropylene dust cap with those classic gold letters. As you can see, the Kicker Gold Series woofers pays its respect to the competition series from 1986. They have that great classic look, but they have all the improvements of today's technology. They're available in 10, 12, and 15-inch sizes. Please visit your local Kicker retailer either in person or online and check out a set of these Kicker Gold Series woofers today. We know you're going to like them.